if I could share with you a very simple way to make a six-figure income doing this business part-time, what would you say? Well, if you're like myself, that answer is yes. Please share with us how we can do this. Well, great. The opportunity that you're seeing this evening, BlacklineNOW.us. And BlacklineNOW.us is an organization that was put together for us to recycle that revenue that we normally spend in traditional retail. So if you think of traditional retail spending, traditional retail, you go to a store, you purchase the products, everyone gets paid except who? You. Well, with this system, this company created a very specific byline that you see here on this webinar. That byline is built on product, powered by people. So this organization is built on an extremely well-produced product line, but it's powered by people like you and I. We're the driving force to this. We're able to receive the residual benefits from that. So when you join this opportunity, there's two key things that will happen. The first thing is that you're not only going to save money, but now you're going to start to make money on products you're currently using. Then you're able to share those products with family members, share those products with friends, co-workers, maybe business associates. And then you're able to teach them in the same simple process to do the same thing as you. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple process. So when you join BlacklineNOW.us, what happens is as soon as you enter your information, a website is going to be created. That website is your specific online store. That's where your revenue is going to be generated from. So all you have to do in this simple process is invite 5 people to do the same. So in doing that, now you're going to create a huge income opportunity for yourself. And that's all there is to it. So your work is finished at this point. Now what you want to do is you want to lock into the opportunity. And every time I give this presentation, the question is always asked, well, what is locking into the opportunity? Well, let's go through that very simple process. Locking in means you want to start your 6-item commitment with this organization. Your 6-item commitment is an automated process this company has put together. It's called an auto ship. And what that auto ship is, it's an automated process that monthly commitment comes to you every month. Those products ship directly to you. Now you can take those products that come to you. You can not only sell them for up to a 50% profit, so you're doubling your money on these products, but on top of that, you can take those same products and share them with others to promote your business. So you can use those products for 2 great ways. So now you're going to start, once you've locked in, you're going to start receiving a monthly income from your entire organization. So I want you to think about it like this. We understand that this is a repeatable business. So think about it like this. Duplication is the key here. So I want to give you an example of what I mean by building a small organization. Let's say we do as the company suggests and we recruit our first 5 people. We bring them into the business and share them the same opportunity. Let's say those same 5 people do the same as you just did. Now those 5 people each bring in their 5. Your organization quickly grew to 25 people. And for this example here, let's say those 25 do the same thing. Your company now, your whole organization has grown to 125 people. And let's take that same scenario and let's go 6 levels down. So you've only really duplicated this process 6 times. Well, what happens? Your organization quickly grows to over 15,000 people. And when I first saw this presentation, I think you all had the same question. Well, what type of money does that really mean? What type of revenue can I bring in from inviting 5 people and showing them how to do the same? Well, if you took that same 5 people and built it 6 levels down, now that's going to generate over $9,500 a month in residual income. And I stress the word residual. Residual income. A lot of people might not understand the meaning of residual income. Residual income does not happen last month and next month. It happens every month. So just by sharing this opportunity with 5 people and building your organization just 6 levels down, you're able to generate a residual income of over $9,500 a month. But when I thought about it, I said, well, I tend to think a little bit bigger than that. Well, what type of revenue does that mean for me in a year? So I think on a larger scale. Well, if I teach those same 5 people to bring in 5 and go 6 levels down, I've now created a residual yearly income of over $114,000. And what's great about this opportunity, this example is just going 6 levels down. But BlacklineNOW allows you to build your organization 8 levels down. So you still have 2 levels to go. So if you think about it in those terms, you want to understand what the system really is, how this system works. What the company's created with that auto ship, that monthly auto ship is $67.45 a month. What that auto ship now does, the company takes that $67.45 and now puts $20.23 of your entire organization's auto ships back into your downline. So they're actually reinvesting that money back into your organization. So if you take that and now invest that 23 back into your organization, into your entire downline, now once you lock in, you're able to receive a different percentage on each level in your organization of that same commission value. And I want to show you how